That is so funny. That was too easy. What is up, guys? Justin here at Chase Industry. Today, we just bought this here 1.6 MIATA. Right now, Moses is here. We are just kind of stripping this thing apart. It is just full to the brim full of parts. We got stuff for that car. We got stuff for that car. And yeah, just a quick little project we picked up. I'm gonna take the wheels, take some engine stuff and drivetrain stuff, and just kind of get rid of the rest. But I've been meaning to do a house update here, and here's one of the updates. So we got this going on. Man, I don't even know what to film.
A few moments later.
Pick her up. Let's see what happens. Okay, hold on. So something's clearly... Actually, no. Tires... No, these are off the ground, so this should come down. Something is holding the subframe in. Oh, the jack probably is. So let me lower the back real quick. And it should come down a lot. How's that front subframe looking?
Oh yeah,
it's coming down?
It tilted, yeah. That side ain't going through. There it goes.
Okay.
Oh, we're done. Don't you worry.
Oh, dude, like butter.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that made the whole thing come
Rears
up. Yeah.
on the ground.
It made it come up even more like angled.
Dude, the core support. Keep going. Okay.
Oh fuck!
What happened?
It's like fucking whipped the handle back at me.
Oh really?
Yeah.
All right, go kick that tire. All right, bring the front down a little bit. Cause something's holding it up.
Yeah. That was.
There's another bolt in the subframe on both sides. I'm gonna climb in there and get it.
I thought you took it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Because this thing's gonna fall. Yeah, that should be good. All right. Yep, that's about what I figured.
That's.
Alright, so the problem now is your gun's a little stuck. In worst case, I'll give you mine. I have the same gun. Pick it up a little. I had my hand out of the way because I knew something like that was going to happen. Alright, leave it. It's good. The battery pulse. We're caught up on like the intake. Looks like something's holding us up over here. What's that line? Power steering. Watch out. Why is the engine coming up with it? Oh, the steering column. It's the steering column.
Yeah. Oh.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
This should just kind of naturally sit where it wants to. As long as the transfer is high enough for the engine to go out, I think we can just drive it out of here. Oh, we're gonna run into the jack stands though, so we're gonna need to move this chassis somehow. Don't worry, I got ideas. Oh God. Oh man, it's leaking.
Fire it up.
Fire it up. Okay. So now what we got to do, what was that?
The condenser.
Oh. And we might just need to slide the drivetrain out sideways. That's what I'm kind of thinking right now. This is going to get so sketchy.
It's about to get real fun. I got it recorded.
I'm not gonna lie, I was really hoping that the subframe would elevate, but because there's no suspension point, I see why it didn't. So we'll have to put a caster in that, but it won't be a big deal. It's more just getting this thing out of the way, and honestly, I said we just try to get this thing on the trailer right now. I don't know how.
I don't know how you.
Yeah, I'm kind of at a standstill. We'll just leave it like this.
No.
So here's what we can do. If we twist this jack. Well, no, look, we twist this jack, and we slide the body over here, and then the hoist is holding it up there, and we set the body right here in the grass, and then from there, the jack will be out of the way, we can roll the drivetrain out, and then we can get the hoist over here. I think that's gonna be the secret. So we just need to deal with these lines real quick. I'm just gonna get the Sawzall and see what it does. We just need to stay safe in the way. going.
Man, that's a really strong fucking brake. That was is there two?
There's two. Don't worry, once I cut this one, it'll go back. Yeah, I know, it's a little sketch. We could set this back down too. Okay, this jack's doing some crazy shit. Hold on. Oh, there. Is that side on its back? There we go. Leave it there. That seems way less sketchy. Nice and easy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right there, perfect. This is so crazy.
I don't think you're still stuck on them.
Are you in there? It'll come out. It should. Yeah. Can we go one more? Right there. Okay, this is a straight shot back. Grab that wheel.
Here, there's rollers, isn't there? Alright, we're gonna just shoot for right under the subframe. Oh, can you get it?
No. Just lock this, slide it in more. Lock those little bolts right there.
We're good.
Here, you want to roll the shelf too? Roll on back. Yes, sir. That's a MIATA. Oh, you're on the tire. You ready? I'm gonna pick up. Go. It might be the exhaust getting stuck. There it goes. There it is. All right, hang on. We're sitting on the tire right there. Ready? All right, watch the car. Watch the car. Trying to look straight. Yep. Sit back. Right there. Over there. That's a MIATA. That right there. That's how it's done. Look at that. Fuck yeah. Hold on. Set that thing down. Set that. Oh wow, that's still pretty heavy. Alright, I guess before we go too high, let's start bringing it over. Alright. So now I'm going to go really high up with this thing. Right to where we're like, we shouldn't go any higher. Then I'm going to go just a little higher.
We're edging the engine post right now. I wonder if there's any strong ones. Who thinks they can bench press this onto the tree?
It just, the unevenness definitely throws it off. Alright, so now I'm thinking.
Oh, yeah. You want me to swing it over?
You know what? I think we do need to go higher on this jack, so we need to try to get something up underneath it. Dude, we used to have this really nice 4x4. I don't know what happened to it.
Put a jack stand on it.
Stop thinking of the sketchiest things you can think of, Moses.
That's really neat.
I'd rather use my fucking half-inch impact. I trust that thing more.
That's like this camera. That's really be sketchy.
I mean, you want to really be sketchy.
There you go.
This is about what I was picturing. We're good.
That's what I was afraid of.
It's all good. We had a 4x4, dude. Yeah, we'll be higher. Because it really just seems like the trans wrap around the fender.
the wheel just fell.
A little more to that baby tooth, maybe?
There you go.
Yeah.
Jack's up against the
All
tire.
right, leave it there. Now we got to get this hoist moved. It's almost there. There it is. Ready? One more. Ah, right there. There he is. Phew.
It is chosen.
Oh God, this poor Miata. Woo! God damn. There she go.
Goodbye.
Later.
Almost there.
Yep, that's about what I figured.
That's
Pretty good.